but I no longer hold in my mind. The past is fading like mist and light inside my heart. It feels so brave, breathing slowly, washing away. I choose freedom today. I let go, I allow it to leave. All that was no longer holds me. I let go, I choose the light in this moment.